Cars and motorcycles in Keanu Reeves' garage. Everyone loves Keanu Reeves. He is a good actor who's been in some iconic role. Even more importantly, he is a good person. And possibly even more importantly than that, for the sake of this article, he is a serious gearhead. The 53-year-old Canadian actor has dealt with some harsh tragedy in his life, but he has always persevered and come back stronger. In fact, following his sister's diagnosis with leukemia, he became a special advocate for helping kids with cancer. He always remained anonymous, not wanting to make a big deal out of his charity work. But it must be mentioned how much of a hero he truly is. He loves Porsches, he loves motorcycles, he loves Ferraris, and he also might love old-school Mustangs. We are here to find out. Here are some of the vehicles Keanu Reeves owns. Volvo 122. Keanu has come a long way since he owned this car. The Volvo 122 was his very first car. It was a British racing green car that he called Dumpy, because that's what he felt the car was, a dump. There were bricks jammed into the interior to help hold up the seats. But back in 1985, Dumpy helped get him from Toronto to Los Angeles, and that's all that matters. 1973 Norden Commando 850 MK2 Roadster. The Norden Commando was an old-school Norden Willers motorcycle produced by the Norden Motorcycle Company between 1967 and 1977. It used an OHV pre-unit parallel twin engine and was popular all over the world during its 10 years run, including winning Motorcycle News Machine of the Year in the UK for 5 successful years from 1968 to 1972. Porsche 911 Carrera 4S Type 993. Having fulfilled his lifelong love of motorcycle, Keanu finally wanted something with 4 wheels that wasn't dumpy after filming Point Break and Speed. And he settled on a Porsche. He settled on a black Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, the classic Type 993 model. It has a sunroof and manual transmission, and he loved the feel of the car. Arch Motorcycle KR-GT1. Keanu and renowned LA bike customizer Gard Hollinger met when Keanu was trying to get his Harley upgraded, and Hollinger said that redoing the Harley was not his style. Keanu liked the guy's honesty, and they went on to found the Arch Motorcycle Company together. They designed and built this one, the KR-GT1 or Keanu Reeves GT1, as their first model. Harley-Davidson Dyna White Glide. Back in 2006, when Keanu Reeves first stepped into Gard Hollinger's design shop Chop Roads, Hollinger told him, "I don't make sissy bars, but why don't you come inside and we will see what we can do." At the time, Keanu wanted to customize his Harley-Davidson Dyna White Glide, but we know how that turned out. The Harley White Glide originated in Harley's FX series of motorcycle and is their first factory custom bike, El Diablo West Coast Chopper. West Coast Chopper WCC is a motorcycle brand that started selling t-shirts and stickers with the company's Iron Cross logo while founder JC James was still in high school. He created a brand for the chopper lifestyle well before they'd ever made a custom bike. In fact, 60% of their revenue still come from WCC brand marketing tie-ins, from clothing, beverages, and tools. Arch Motorcycle Arch 1S. The Arch 1S was the second bike that Keanu Reeves revealed to the public. He brought it along with the KR-GT1 and the third bike to the EICMA, a motorcycle show in Milan, Italy. The Arch 1S is a more sport-oriented bike than the KR-GT1, which is basically a cruiser, but they share a lot of same accoutrements. Ferrari 488 GTB. Back in 2015, Keanu Reeves made a pretty big splash in the tabloid headlines when he visited Ferrari's headquarters in Maranello, Italy. There he test drove a Ferrari 488 GTB and lapped the famed Fiorano circuit, though it's unclear whether he placed an order for the 488 or twin-turbo 458 replacement. Ferrari California T. This was the second Ferrari that Keanu tested at their headquarters in Maranello. Along with the classic departments, Keanu made his round about the assembly lines, the tailor-made ateliers, and the new GES building. He insisted to see all of it. Ducati Diavel. Keanu Reeves took out a Ducati Diavel for a test drive while he was doing an interview with GQ in 2011. They met near Chertsey at the Chobham test track, while Reeves was around London for 3 months filming 47 Ronin, 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Keanu Reeves drove this beast, a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 in the John Wick series. In the first movie, the car, which is Wick's prized possession, was stolen and his puppy was killed, the last gift from his slain wife. With all the grief at his disposal, Keanu goes on a rampage and becomes a one-man army in order to get back his car. Thank you for staying with us.